Hey, it's Gray. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel where you will find a variety of reviews from recipes to subscriptions and everything in between. Today we are checking out a recipe for a crispy and cheesy tortellini pasta salad. If you would like to find the written version of this week's post, go ahead and click the link below and follow along. Alright, welcome back friends. Whether you're looking for something to bring to a potluck or just looking for a quick and easy recipe to have on hand for any day of the week, you will want to save the link I'm about to share with you in the description below. It takes your typical pasta salad and kicks it up a notch or two. Pasta salads are just such a fun and easy dish to prepare whether you're at home or heading out to a gathering. It combines pasta, obviously, veggies, protein, and cheese, all coated in a tasty dressing. I mean, it really doesn't get any easier than that. This week's dish was discovered once again on TikTok. It's by Sammy Montgoms, and you can find the recipe once again in the description below. And worry not, the video's captions include an ingredient list as well as the directions if you just want it written down versus watching the video over and over. What makes this pasta salad a bit better? And seriously, it's the tortellini. I've said this at the start, and I will continue to say this. This recipe is really transformed by using tortellini that are boiled just for a few minutes and then finished up in an air fryer until golden brown and crispy. You can certainly use frozen tortellini from the grocery store, but I highly recommend using Tortellini by Taste Republic. They're an awesome fresh pasta brand that specializes in gluten-free and vegan pasta. I've used a handful of their pastas before, and they always end up wonderfully. They're ready in just a few minutes and work very well for this recipe. I ended up getting mine at Whole Foods, but I see that Target has started carrying this brand too, which is super exciting. So how does using tortellini jazz up this pasta salad? Well, a few things. Tortellini is already stuffed with cheese. It adds a bit more flavor as well as texture, since tortellini is a bit different in shape than the regular pasta you'd use. You know, rotini, farfalle, macaroni, etc. Plus, with this particular recipe, you're not only boiling the pasta to cook, but you're finishing it off in an air fryer for a few minutes. When air frying the tortellini, do keep an eye on it every few minutes as it will crisp up rather quickly. You don't want the edges to be super hard, but just golden brown enough to give it a little bit more texture. With the outside golden brown and crisped up, the cheese inside is so creamy. So not only are you already enjoying everything else that's part of the pasta salad, you're getting this extra oomph of flavor from the tortellini. Cannot recommend this enough. I also have to mention all the other additions to this pasta salad. What makes this so easy to make is that you can pick up all the ingredients from the grocery store with no added prep aside from maybe chopping. That's it. Roasted red peppers, artichoke hearts, olives, pepperoncini peppers, cherry tomatoes, red onion, and those little mozzarella balls. Combined with a dressing that incorporates the liquids from the pepperoncini and the roasted red pepper jars, honestly, that offered a nice kick to the dressing. Not saying it's spicy, but just sharp and bright. Needless to say, every little part of this tortellini pasta salad works fantastically together. So just because much of this review is about the tortellini being included, it's not the only reason why this recipe is one I recommend trying. My overall grade is a 5 out of 5. This was such a tasty and unique recipe to make. It didn't have me go out of my way to buy the ingredients. It also didn't take very long to put together. How much easier can it get? This is something you can throw together very quickly during the week or bring it to any potlucks. The serving size is perfect for any event, but if you really need to feed a crowd, then consider doubling this recipe. This recipe, as is, makes 2 to 4 servings very comfortably, especially if you're only planning on serving the pasta salad and nothing else. So if you're looking to make a pasta salad with a little more oomph, then I highly recommend you check out this TikTok recipe for a tortellini pasta salad. Frankly, I highly recommend you check out Sammy Montgomery's TikTok for even more recipes under the series 20 Recipes Under 20 Minutes. I've made a few and they came out very, very tasty. What's your favorite dish to bring to a potluck? Let me know in the comments below. And as always, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next one. Take care and stay gray amazing!